Welcome back to the channel where we put tech to the ultimate test. Today, we're unleashing the beasts of the smartphone world, the best Oukitel rugged smartphones. Get ready to see phones built for adventure, hard work and anything life throws their way, with incredible durability, massive batteries and features designed to survive. If you're ready for a phone that's truly unstoppable, hit that subscribe button right now. We have pushed these Oukitel powerhouses to their limits, and all the links to conquer your next challenge are waiting for you in the description below. Let's explore without limits. Number 5. Brand name, Oukitel, model number, WP28E. Oukitel WP28E rugged phone is equipped with a large 10,600 mAh battery, enjoying up to 1,000 hours of standby time, 60 hours of talk time, 50 hours of music playback and 18 hours of video playback. The Oukitel WP28E Android phone has an 18-watt fast charging function, so you don't need to charge it frequently. It is powered by an octa-core Unisoc T606 processor that works in unison to handle all the tasks. The Oukitel WP28E mobile phone is a great choice for outdoor adventurers and workers. The Oukitel WP28E Unlock phones brings you a visual experience with its 6.52-inch HD+ display. Number 4. Brand name, Oukitel, model number, WP100. Oukitel WP100 Titan rugged smartphone 5G features a 6.8-inch FHD+ display, which will provide a good viewing experience, let you feel the immersive experience when video chatting or playing games. The 650 nit brightness can be used comfortably even in bright outdoor environments without worrying about reflections. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor, the Oukitel WP100 Titan cell phone delivers lightning-fast speeds, smooth multitasking, and high-speed connectivity. The octa-core processor with a 2.5 GHz clock speed ensures fast app launches, immersive gaming, and efficient power management, so you can stay productive anytime, anywhere. 48 GB RAM ensures super fast downloads, fast processing and low latency. 512 GB ROM built-in storage, you can store more photos, videos and other files. Even if you are a gaming or photography enthusiast, the Oukitel WP100 Titan smartphone can also meet your needs. The Oukitel WP100 Titan is a rugged smartphone with a massive 33,000 mAh battery, built-in projector, 1,200 lumen camping light, and cutting-edge 5G performance. Ultra-bright LED light for navigating, setting up camp, or emergency situations. Projects up to 100 lumens, enabling a movie theater experience without external power or accessories. With global connectivity, dual SIM support, and Android 14, the Oukitel WP100 Titan is ready to adapt to your lifestyle and adventures. Number 3. Brand name, Oukitel, model number, WP36. With the Oukitel WP36 outdoor smartphone 6.52-inch HD+ display, you can get to know the world in brilliant detail. Whether you're playing a game or watching a movie, this immersive display enhances the display for a realistic, detailed visual experience. Designed with a massive 10,600 mAh battery, WP36 rugged phone allows for a standby time of up to 60 days, making it the ideal companion for long trips or situations where access to charging is limited. The WP36 also features reverse charging capability, allowing you to power up your other electronic devices in a convenient way. From snowy peaks to arid deserts, the WP36 Tough phone is designed to withstand the harshest outdoor environments. No matter where your adventure takes you, the WP36 empowers you with reliability and durability. Number 2. Brand name, Oukitel, model number, WP32 Pro. Oukitel WP32 Pro shatterproof phone has a 6,300 mAh battery and a 10-watt fast charger, which can continue to power you for several days of normal use, without more anxiety of the battery. The shatterproof smartphone can also be used as a mobile power supply to power other devices via the OTG data cable, which will extend your endless entertainment. Designed for durability and performance, this device features a robust build, advanced Android 14 operating system, and a powerful battery, making it suitable for various environments and demanding tasks. Immerse yourself in the brilliance of the 6.0-inch HD screen of rusty Oukitel WP32 Pro smartphones. Enjoy unparalleled cinematic vision with a larger screen. It is powered by an octa-core Unisoc T606 processor that works in unison to handle all the tasks. Experience a world of vibrant, brilliant images that bring every interaction to life. Enjoy an immersive viewing experience without limits. Number 1. Brand name, Oukitel, model number, WP33 Pro. The WP33 Pro is powered by a massive 22,000 mAh battery, the largest battery capacity in phones ever, which is able to last for more than 3 months of standby. Combined with the 60 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a seamless experience whether browsing content, watching movies, or playing games. The rugged phone offers you splendid and comfortable vision experience and sensitive screen touch. Oukitel WP33 Pro phones can also be your speaker, up to 136 dB loudness and 5 watt rated power and 36 mm diameter. A great device you can count on for camping and hiking trips.